Kurumirira gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini no aruaru a murimu uyu magathie na mbere na kugumirwo ni mathina kihiri ta kuhihia kwa muhiano no nginya maigwo macini cia guteithiriria kuhihia kana na ritwa ringi ventilators. No ona kuri uguo macini citigigana na kuumana na thina uyu Samuel Kairu kuuma mwena wa Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu nierutire guteithiriria bururi na njira ya gwithondekera macini ino.
I started looking for solution to that specific problem of how to come up with a simple ventilator. This simple ventilator will be fashioned with common available parts here in Kenya and in any country of the world.
Ona thengia wake gukorwo na ugi na umenyo wa guthondeka macini ino hatiri undu tangaja no ati no nginya ngiathire mutaramu wa kumuteithiriria.
So I went to MIT site and I found a workable prototype of ventilator. I also went to the open source, we call it GitHub, and I found an open source ventilator.
Na thutha ucio kimwethera ndagitari uria uhigireire hari gutumira macini ici kana ventilators niguo amenye uria aguthie na mbere na kumithondeka.
Doctor, I have to see in the monitor what's really happening in my patient, and I need to be very confident that the figures I'm seeing on that monitor are the accurate readings of what the pressure, the oxygen concentration, the volume, and the frequencies that are actually going into the patient, so that I can adjust on the machine what I really need. And I believe that the two of them, the electrical engineer, the software engineer, it will be possible. With more consultations, it will be possible for us to produce a machine that can do that.
Na mari hamwe magietha mota ya waipa ya ngari iria ngiamateithiririe gutindika riera kuri macini ino yao. Ona gutuika ici itingiateithiririe muno makiria kuona no nginya mangiethire indo ingi iria cingiateithiririe toria ihuthikaga mathibitari-ini.
I'm the brainchild of that wiper motor. I settled on a wiper motor because I have used the wiper motor in another place, in another my own project of mine. So I knew it's a very, very reliable motor. Actually, the motor has a life of it's supposed to deliver, when attached on a vehicle, it's supposed to deliver 1.5 million wipes. That means 1.5 million. So you can literally drive for a month with your wipers on, even in snow, and the wiper will not burn. The other good thing about the wiper motor is that it's also used in space, in robotics, space robots.
This is what I would call stage one. The only additions that we need right now are the valves that regulate the pressures within the circuit, the breathing circuit. We call it a breathing circuit, right? So you need several connections there, which this one is the inhalational valve, right? Once you push in oxygen here, then that valve will open. Immediately you stop that pressure, the positive pressure to push in oxygen. An exhalational valve opens, and then it lets out the exhalational gases at atmospheric pressure.
Thio then iracirania na macini ici na kungikinyiriria ati Kenya ni kuhota gwithondekera guku bururi-ini. Umenyo wa Samuel Kairu wa kuhuthika kuona na indo iria irabataranika ciina raithi undu thirikari itangihuthira mamilioni ma mbeca kuigura na iria kwa ihinda riri citironeka. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.